How to fix shift lock not working in Roblox. Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to fix shift lock not working in Roblox. If your shift lock toggle isn't doing anything or just stopped responding, don't worry. I've got you covered with some easy steps to get it working again. First, click the Roblox icon in the top left corner of your screen, or simply press the SC key on your keyboard to open the main menu. Now go to the Settings tab. Here, find the option labeled Shift Lock Switch and make sure it's set to On. If it's already on, go ahead and turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on again. Sometimes, that quick reset is all it takes to fix the issue. Next, scroll down to the Movement Mode setting. Make sure it's set to Default Keyboard or Keyboard and Mouse. If you have it set to Click to Move, that's the reason your shift lock isn't working. It's not compatible with that mode. Once you've made those changes, close the Settings menu and test the shift lock again. It should be working now. If not, no worries. Just close the game completely and reopen it. If it's still not working, open the settings one more time. Look for the full screen option. If it's turned off, switch it on. If it's already on, try turning it off and then back on again. This can refresh the game window and fix any display issues that interfere with shift lock. And that's it. Your shift lock not working in Roblox problem should now be completely fixed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more quick Roblox fixes and tips.